I knew nothing about business when I started this. Proud of myself. I don't say that very often, but I am, because one thing that I did was not give up. जिन्होंने छोटा बड़ा इतना सारा contribution किया है, including mentoring me, teaching me the ways. Hi everyone, it's a very special day today because Pause for Greens, this little baby, just turned 1, and just saying that feels surreal because some time back, almost 1.5 years back, when I thought I wanted to start something of my own, I wanted to create something which is not just a brand, but so much bigger than just being a brand selling products. Something which I truly believed in. Had to be something that teaches love, compassion, probably respecting all life forms around, including our companion animals, and respecting the entire ecosystem. And that is when the idea of Pause for Greens just came into my head. I wanted to give our companion animals something which is good for them, but also respects every life form around. It's been just a year, but honestly, this idea was in my head probably past 2 to 3 years. But वो बोलते हैं ना कि जब कुछ होना होता है वो तभी होता है. Everything has its own time, has its own place. And then finally last year, October 4th, we launched Pause for Greens. It has been one hell of a ride, I would say. I knew nothing about business when I started this. Literally nothing. It was just sheer passion and probably the way I am. वो बोलते ना बस जिद थी कि कुछ तो करना है, because that is how I've been कि बस दिमाग में कुछ अटक जाए तो फिर वो करना है. And that's how Pause for Green started. I have learned whatever I've learned in this 1 year has been on the go. Right from figuring out the factories to formulations to creating something which was science backed for our animals, and from packaging, designing, coordinating with the agencies, in fact packing every little box, listing everything. I have just learned in this span of 1 year, which I have probably मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता था पहले. Having said that, I also realized कि एक अकेला इंसान सच में कुछ नहीं कर सकता. It takes a village. There have been so many people on the way who have contributed to this journey. It's been just a year, like I said, but I literally cannot count those names on my fingers because they have so many. There have been so many of them जिन्होंने छोटा बड़ा इतना सारा contribution किया है, including mentoring me, teaching me the ways and means of business, from giving me the office space, maybe packaging also, everything. And right now I have a small team. It's just 3 of us for right now, but they have been such an integral part of this growth that I can't even tell you. Earlier I was trying to struggle doing everything on my own, and then these 2 kids just came into my life. Now they are a family, Pause for Greens family, and yeah, and they have really contributed to the growth of this brand because I found the same spark and passion in them that I used to see in myself when I was in my teens. Probably I did not find somebody who could tell me, who could give me that direction. I'm trying my best to do this for these kids, but grateful to have them as a part, as an integral part of Pause for Greens. So yeah, one hell of a ride. I would not say it was easy. There have been sleepless nights. There have been times when I felt like giving it all up, thinking कि पता नहीं कोई खरीदेगा नहीं खरीदेगा, पता नहीं मैं क्या बना रही हूँ, पता नहीं मुझे बिजनेस करना आता भी है कि नहीं आता है. There were so many days when I doubted myself, when I've cried myself to sleep, because honestly, like I said, I knew nothing, and it's just during the process that I have learned every bit of it. But honestly, after 1 year, I would just say I'm just proud of myself. I don't say that very often, but I am, because one thing that I did was not give up. It just feels good to see where we have come together as a team, as all the people who have contributed to this journey. In this 1 year, we have come to a place where we have been accepted by all of you. We have been loved by so many people. We have received incredible response. And I don't think I would trade this entire experience for anything at all. It has been a beautiful journey, and it has made me a stronger, better person, a more patient person, somebody who trusts in herself, who trusts in the process, and trusts that universe always has bigger plans for you. So just trust the process. So yes, thank you everyone for trusting us, for believing in us, and for loving us. So yeah, happy birthday to Pause for Greens, and lots of love. It's a long, long way ahead, I know, but it just feels good to be here. And thank you for being a part of this journey.